I'm Dr. M.T. Newman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon that specializes in adult reconstruction, which is a hip and knee replacement. I've been in Spectrum Orthopedics for 3 years. I've been living in Maine for about 10 years now after retiring from the United States Navy. After 20 years of service, getting to treat the veterans, their family members in active duty. Our goals for Orthopaedic Associates of Maine in teaming up with Growth Orthopedics are essentially growth, continue to deliver excellent, efficient, value-based care in the community. We hope to continue to engage with the community both on an individual and an organizational level by sponsoring athletics, by sponsoring health fairs, by engaging with our local insurance companies to make sure that we're getting the best care and coverage for our beneficiaries. So what changes now that we're with Growth Orthopedics is not a whole lot other than the naming. Our access is still going to be fantastic. Our care is going to be excellent. We're going to continue to strive to make it patient-centered. My top goal is growth. We need to be able to allow access to care in different locations in Maine where the access might not be as good. We plan to do this in several different ventures, including opening up more access here at our Portland office, more access in Brunswick, Windham, and possibly other locations around the state. We're also moving and transitioning to outpatient total joint arthroplasty, which in terms of in the United States is growing at a fantastic rate. Currently, we're doing about 50% of our patients where patients can go home the same day. In the next several years, we're hoping that number increases to 80 or 90%. That comes with a lot of benefits for the patient, including cost, efficiency of care, also decreased complications, and a quicker recovery. I hope patients in Maine recognize the name and the excellence that we bring. My greatest goal is to have access. Currently, if you make a phone call to an orthopedic surgeon, you have to see one of the medical practices that are hospital employed. Sometimes you're waiting 4, 5, 6 months just to see the provider, and oftentimes you don't even see them. So my goal is to make sure you see a physician or their assistant within several weeks at the longest. We plan on expanding our footprint, not only in the area around Portland, but hopefully north as well, and possibly south. We want to expand our physician workforce by 3 to 4, so again, we can continue to offer care. When you call, we'll be able to see you as soon as possible. Orthopaedic Associates of Maine, the name you know, the excellence you trust.